Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this brand new 2018 Newmar Baystar 3401. This is a very popular floor plan with lots to offer. Come on in, let's have a look around. Right, starting in the back of this brand new Baystar 3401, first thing to notice, you've got a huge king-size bed in here. Significance about this is that it's actually 80 inches long, just like the bed you'd have in your home. That means your sheets are going to fit perfectly. You're not going to have to worry about going out and buying custom sheets. Also, check out the beautiful wardrobe space that's in here. Newmar has added some shelves to these this year, which you can obviously remove. These are adjustable, no worries, but you can use those as hanging closets. You can just fold everything up and stack it. Choice is really yours. Another thing I'd love to point out, check out the size of that window. And I'm just going to do this real quick and turn off these lights. But you can see that this is still letting in a whole heck of a lot of natural light. It's going to make a huge difference when you're out on the road. As we go forward a little bit more, this is another unique feature about the 3401. You've got this huge second wardrobe in addition to the two that you've already got back there. You've also got extra dresser space down here as well. This coach is going to be perfect for taking those long extended road trips with your family or your spouse, and also if you happen to be going full time. This is also going to allow you to take basically your whole wardrobe with you, no worries. As we move on into the bathroom, as you'll note, first thing, check out the shower. I am about 5'9", I weigh about 200 pounds, and as you can see with my back up against the wall, I'm not really touching the glass here at all. This is a 36-inch radius shower, lots of room in here. You'll also note you've got a beautiful linen cabinet in here as well. That's going to be perfect for storing bath towels, washcloths, and stuff like that. And you've also got extra space back behind the toilet as well. Another thing to kind of be handy, or that is kind of handy, you got your main breaker and your big fuse panel in here as well. It means you're not going to have to go outside into the great outdoors when it's raining if you happen to have a small electrical issue. You ought to be able to troubleshoot it from right there. As we move out into the rest of the coach, big pantry, big storage space right here. You can double this up as either a second pantry or you can use this for extra linens. Your main pantry, of course, is there, and we'll get to that in a second. Other thing about this layout, you've got a beautiful sofa right here. This is a big sofa. Again, I'm about 5'9", and as you can see, this is the 92-inch sofa. So you can easily get 4 or 5 people on this. This will fold out into a queen-size hide-a-bed. You can sleep 2 people. But also check this out as well. You've got that fireplace built in there. You've got your Sony TV with your Bose soundbar. That is truly going to give you that home away from home feel when you're out on the road. Here is your main pantry, and as you will of course note, this does have the slide out drawers. As you will also note from those little holes right there, those drawers are all fully adjustable. So you can adjust this up and down. You can take one out if you've got larger items in here. No worries, just a lot of flexibility as far as what you can do. This is going to be featuring a gas electric refrigerator, no worries. You've also got a fully equipped kitchen. This is a Whirlpool residential size convection unit. You've also got your 3-burner gas cooktop. And just look at all the extra space and storage that you've got down there, combined with that beautiful 2-basin stainless steel sink. The other thing is, if you'll note, I can get that in there a fair amount. So I can actually fit a cast iron pan in there. I can fit a pasta pot in there. No shortage as far as ease of cleaning. Dinette, that'll obviously switch out into a sleeping area if you need it. And then as we get up to the front, you do of course have this beautiful cockpit. Both of these seats are going to rotate around 180 degrees. These are flex steel seats, as is the furniture in the back. It's all flex steel. And from here you've got a nice little tray table here that you can use for work if you want. You've got 110 and USB power plugged in right back there as well. So good spot for you to be able to update your Facebook page, let your friends know where you're going and make them jealous, all that kind of fun stuff. This coach is also going to be featured on the Ford F53 chassis. This is going to be featuring a 6.8 liter Triton V10 motor. That's going to be tuned to 320 horsepower, roughly 460 foot-pounds of torque. Other little thing, if you haven't bought one of these in a while, this is, since it's after chassis year 2016, going to be with a 6-speed transmission. That's going to give you a little bit of extra oomph going up the hills, make the engine run a lot quieter, and it's also going to give you a little bit of extra fuel economy as well. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all the time I have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. Right, starting on the exterior of this brand new Baystar 3401, first thing to notice, look at this beautiful paint job that they've got on this. This is BASF paints. It's what Newmar uses on all their coaches. Every single one gets full body paint. Safety, of course, is paramount. They are going to have these side view cameras is positioned perfectly, so you're not going to have to worry about your blind spots. As we get around the rest of the coach, you are, of course, going to have outdoor entertainment here, but check out the amount of storage that you've got going around this coach. As you'll notice, you've got lighting in there. You've also got 110 auxiliary power out here as well. So if you do need to plug in a Traeger or something like that to get the barbecue going, you're good to go. Another thing to notice, we are now almost at the rear of the coach, and that's now we're looking at the end of where the awning is. This awning goes all the way back up to the front. That is going to cover fully 2/3 of the coach, and you'll note that there's no slide in the way, so that's going to give you lots of covered space, optimal entertainment area for you and your family. And then in the back, again, 2 more gigantic storage bays back here as well. As we move around the back of the coach, here's that giant window I was talking about in the bedroom. You also got your rear view camera back there as well. You are going to have, of course, your 5,000-pound tow hitch, and then a very solid stiff mount ladder. That'll enable you to get up there, do all your roof inspections as you need. And as we get around to the opposite side, one other thing that's worth pointing out, just check out how efficient and how well organized that wet bay is. You're also going to notice that you're using probeless tanks on here as well. So those are going to basically be a lot longer lasting. You're not going to have to worry about toilet paper or anything like that gumming up the traditional probes and giving you false readings or anything like that. And then, of course, more storage up front. As you can see, that's basically a continuation on the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time I have to talk about this brand new Baystar 3401. As I'm sure you know, there is a lot more detail in this coach that I haven't been able to go into. Trust me, I would love to have a conversation with you and go into those details so you can make an informed decision on your next coach. Please feel free to contact me using the information at the bottom of the screen, or if you'd like, please feel free to call me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.